Hello everyone, welcome back to Microcontroller Tutorial Series. Did you know that you can use microcontroller like Arduino with software like Matlab and Simulink? Simulink has some brilliant features like in Simulink you can drag and drop different blocks and build your circuit or design. You can do similar for your Arduino program. So for that reason you will be requiring support package for Arduino in Matlab and Simulink environment. So in this video I'll be showing you how we can download those support packages and install them in your Matlab. So let's get started. First we will go to your desired browser. I am opening my Microsoft Edge and search for Matlab Arduino hardware support package. Once you search this, you will get a MathWork file exchange link. Go to this link. In this link, you will find that Matlab support package for Arduino hardware. Well, this support package we need to download and install. So on the right hand side, you have download button for this package. So click on this and it will download the file. Once the download is completed, you can open that file with your Matlab. So let's do that. We will open this file where we have downloaded it. So this is the file and we'll open the Matlab windows. From the Matlab command window, you can open this file. I am just dragging and dropping this into the command window. So it will pop up the add-on manager. You need to know that you need an account in MathWork. The account could be free one. So here I am putting the information of my account and put your password. It will take some time to log in into the server. Now once you have logged in into your MathWork account, such pop-up will come up on the screen for installing the package. Click this button, that is I accept. You can read the important notice given here. Now click on next. It will start downloading the support package file and the other necessary resources for this package, and it will install them in your Matlab software. So it will take time. We'll get back to you once the installation is done. Now if such prompt up or Windows security alert comes on, you need to give them access, allow access, and it will continue its downloading and installing packages. Well, it's asking for installing the USB driver that is from Genuino. So you need to install this. It will continue the installation process. It might take some more time. Now we can see that the installation is completed. Now it's asking for your hardware support package requires configuration. You can choose to complete this configuration steps now or do them later and add-on manager in the Matlab tool strip. So it's asking for Arduino USB driver installation. Enable installation of Arduino USB driver and press next. It's again asking for USB driver. Let's install this. Do you want to set up the Arduino board connection now? If you have the Arduino with you, you can do this step. Go press next. Now it's asking for what type of connection do you have with your Arduino and PC. So I will be using the USB cable for connecting the Arduino with my PC. So let's choose USB and then press next. I have my Arduino Mega with me, so I will connect this to my PC and go press the next button. I have connected my Arduino Mega using the USB cable with my PC and pressing this next. It will pop up this window where you can choose the board type. I am choosing the Mega 2560 and you need to choose the port, that is the COM. For my device it's COM3. And here's some other options like the select libraries to be included in the server. What are the libraries you want to include in the server? You can choose from here. Press again program. It's uploading the program into the Arduino. So it's asking for to allowing this access. Give it the access. And it's showing that it has success. Click next to proceed. So you need to press next. I'm skipping the test connection for now. and let's press next. You can see the example for support package. I am skipping this for now. Let's press finish. So now we have our Matlab support package for Arduino hardware installed on our Matlab software. Now we also need Simulink support package for Arduino. So press Arduino Simulink. Here you will find the Simulink support package for Arduino hardware. Press on this. In the similar manner, download this and install in your Matlab. So it's downloaded. I am installing this again using the similar manner. Once you open this up, it will pop up the installation window. So here in the same manner, I need to accept this. Here the third-party softwares required for this package is shown in this list. Let's press next. It will start the process of downloading the required packages, and it will install them once these files are downloaded. Now we can see that the installation is complete. You need to set up the microcontroller here. Let's press setup. Next. It's trying to detect the board connected to my PC, and it has detected the Arduino Mega 2560. Then press next. Do you want to verify this setup? We'll go with next. Let's skip the test connection. We do not want to verify this setup right now. And if you want to see the examples for support package, keep this checked in and press finish. It will pop up the Matlab documentation where you can see the different examples with Matlab. So I am leaving this for your own exploration. So these two support packages, one support package for Arduino and Matlab support package for Arduino, and another Simulink support package for Arduino. These two packages we need for now. We'll see what other package we can explore in the later videos. So this is it. Once you have downloaded and installed this support package, you are good to go with Matlab and Arduino. So see you in the next video.